Snickers, the beloved candy bar, has a rich history. In 1930, Frank Mars, a confectionery pioneer, introduced the world to Snickers. The name Snickers was a tribute to a beloved horse owned by the Mars family. Little did they know this chocolate, peanut and caramel concoction would become a global sensation. Today, Snickers is enjoyed by millions worldwide, and its popularity shows no signs of waning. The original Snickers bar was larger than today's version. It was a substantial treat, meant to satisfy a sweet craving. The combination of ingredients was innovative for its time. Chocolate, caramel, peanuts and nougat, all in one bar, was a recipe for success. Over the years, Snickers has seen several variations. From different sizes to limited edition flavors, the brand has never been afraid to experiment. However, the core recipe has remained largely unchanged, a testament to its timeless appeal. The classic Snickers bar, with its simple yet satisfying combination of ingredients, continues to be a fan favorite. Creating a Snickers bar requires a global network of suppliers. Mars, the company behind Snickers, is committed to responsible sourcing practices. The journey begins with the humble peanut. Peanuts for Snickers are grown in various regions known for their quality. Farmers work tirelessly to cultivate these legumes to perfection. Only the finest peanuts, carefully selected for size and flavor, make it into a Snickers bar. Next, we move on to the cocoa beans. Mars sources its cocoa beans from West Africa, primarily. They are committed to sustainable cocoa farming, ensuring fair wages for farmers and environmental protection. The cocoa beans are roasted to perfection, bringing out their rich flavor. This roasted cocoa is the foundation of the Snickers chocolate coating. Milk, another key ingredient, is sourced locally whenever possible. Mars prioritizes working with dairy farms that adhere to high standards of animal welfare. The milk is pasteurized and dried, becoming milk powder, which contributes to the creamy texture of the nougat. Sugar, a crucial component for sweetness, is sourced responsibly. Mars works with suppliers who prioritize fair labor practices and environmental sustainability. From peanut farms to cocoa plantations, each ingredient's journey reflects Mars's commitment to quality and ethical sourcing. The heart of a Snickers bar lies in its fluffy nougat. The process begins by whipping egg whites into a meringue-like consistency. Air is incorporated into the mixture, creating the light and airy texture. Sugar is gradually added, creating a stable meringue that will hold its shape. The mixture transforms into a glossy, marshmallow-like base. Next, corn syrup and vanilla extract are added. The corn syrup adds a touch of sweetness and chewiness. Vanilla extract enhances the overall flavor profile, adding a subtle yet distinct note. The mixture is continuously whipped, ensuring all the ingredients are evenly distributed. The final step involves incorporating the nougat into a continuous sheet. It's poured onto a conveyor belt and gently flattened to the desired thickness. The nougat is then cooled and cut into the perfect size for Snickers bars. This process ensures that each bar has a consistent amount of that signature Snickers nougat. With the nougat ready, the next stage is all about adding the irresistible layers of caramel and peanuts. A warm river of golden caramel is carefully poured over the nougat layer. The caramel, cooked to a specific temperature and consistency, cascades onto the nougat, creating a smooth and even layer. Now it's time for the star ingredient, peanuts. Roasted peanuts, carefully selected and salted, are generously sprinkled over the caramel. The warmth of the caramel helps the peanuts adhere, ensuring they don't fall off easily. The combination of salty peanuts, sweet caramel and fluffy nougat creates a symphony of flavors and textures. This layered confection then continues its journey on the conveyor belt, heading towards its chocolatey destiny. The contrast between the soft caramel, crunchy peanuts and fluffy nougat is part of what makes Snickers so satisfying. Section 5. Chocolate enrobed, the art of the Snickers shell. The penultimate stage involves encasing this delicious assembly in a blanket of rich chocolate. This is a carefully calibrated process, ensuring that every Snickers bar gets a perfectly even coating. The bars, adorned with caramel and peanuts, are submerged in a large tank of tempered milk chocolate. The chocolate is kept at a specific temperature to maintain its fluidity and glossy finish. After the initial coating, the bars pass through a series of rollers and brushes. This ensures that excess chocolate is removed, leaving a smooth and even layer. The chocolate then begins to cool and solidify, forming the signature Snickers shell. Finally, the chocolate-covered bars are subjected to a gentle cooling process. This ensures that the chocolate sets properly, resulting in a satisfying snap when you bite into a Snickers bar. The chocolate shell not only provides a visual appeal but also seals in all the flavors, ready to be unleashed upon unwrapping. Section 6. From conveyor belt to candy aisle packaging Snickers. Now coated in a tempting layer of chocolate, the Snickers bars are ready for their final journey packaging. As the bars emerge from the cooling tunnel, they are inspected one last time to ensure they meet the high standards of quality. Automated systems swiftly wrap each bar in the iconic Snickers packaging. The packaging process is a marvel of efficiency. Snickers bars are grouped and packaged into various sizes, from individual bars to multi-packs perfect for sharing. Each package is sealed airtight to preserve freshness and ensure that the Snickers bar reaches consumers in optimal condition. Packaged Snickers bars are then loaded into boxes and prepared for shipping. They are transported to distribution centers worldwide, ready to be stocked on store shelves and satisfy cravings around the globe. Section 7. Quality first, ensuring a delicious Snickers experience. Throughout the entire process, from ingredient sourcing to packaging, quality control is paramount. Mars has stringent quality checks at every stage of production. Trained inspectors examine the peanuts for size, color, and any imperfections. The caramel is tested for consistency and flavor. Even the thickness of the chocolate coating is meticulously measured. Advanced technology such as metal detectors and X-ray machines are employed to ensure that every Snickers bar is free from any foreign objects. These measures guarantee that only the highest quality Snickers bars make it to consumers. Random sampling and taste tests are conducted regularly to maintain the consistent flavor and texture that Snickers is known for. It's this unwavering commitment to quality that has helped Snickers maintain its reputation as a top-tier candy bar. Consumers trust that when they open a Snickers bar, they are in for a consistently delicious experience. Section 8. Snickers, a global phenomenon. From its humble beginnings, Snickers has become a global phenomenon. Its combination of chocolate, peanuts, caramel, and nougat has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. The brand's clever marketing campaigns, often featuring the tagline, "You're not you when you're hungry," have resonated with consumers, solidifying its place in popular culture. Snickers is enjoyed in over 100 countries, making it one of the world's best-selling candy bars. It transcends cultural boundaries, appealing to a diverse range of consumers. Whether it's a quick snack, a treat after a long day, or a way to satisfy a sweet craving, Snickers continues to be a go-to choice. The enduring popularity of Snickers is a testament to the power of a simple yet satisfying combination of ingredients. The next time you unwrap a Snickers bar, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took from farm to factory to your hand. It's a reminder that even in a world of ever-evolving confectionery trends, some classics never go out of style.